What's up, everybody? Good to see you guys. I know it's been a long time. I'm back from my trip. I have a whole lot of footage and videos to share with you. But before I do that, today we're going to talk about the DJI summer sale. Plus, I have some discount codes that I'm going to be giving away to 10 people in the video coming up. So let's get right into it. I'm Brett Garamello with brettgaramello.com, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos about DJI equipment and tutorials. All right, so let's get right into it. So the DJI summer sale starts on June 7th in the United States and June 8th in Canada. Now the summer sale both for the US and Canada ends at the same time. It ends at the end of the day Pacific Standard Time on June 16th. Outside of the US and Canada, I'm really not sure. Now there's 8 different items that are discounted for the United States, and there's 9 discounted items for Canada. Now the best thing about this raffle is that the discount code that I'm gonna give to 10 different people can be applied on top of the summer sale. So you not only get the summer sale discount, but then you get the additional discount code as well. So that makes for even more savings. So if you're looking to get one of these items, this is definitely for you. And just to be clear, the summer sale and discount codes can only be applied to these items that I'm gonna talk about right now. The first item up is the Mavic 2 Zoom. And the Mavic 2 Zoom normally is $1249. But it's going to be discounted to $1149, so $1,149 in both the US and Canada, same price. Nice thing about the Zoom, you can zoom from 24 to 48 millimeters. And I would say if you're a beginner just starting out or you have a Spark drone, the Mavic 2 Zoom is a significant upgrade and definitely worth it. The next drone up is one that I think I'm gonna get, the Mavic Air. Normally it's $799, but now it's $679. And that's just for the drone by itself. With the combo, the Fly More combo, the Mavic Air was normally $999, but now it's $879. So for me, I think I'm gonna get the Fly More combo because that comes with 3 batteries, a travel bag, all the little accessories that you need. So I highly recommend the Fly More combo. It's a phenomenal drone for someone who wants a really portable drone to fly with and get some great aerial image. Next one up, DJI Racing Edition goggles. Okay, normally they're $549. Now they are down to $449. So if you like the goggles, you get $100 off. And next up, we're gonna talk about the Ronin-s, both the Essentials kit and the Standard kit. If you want to know the difference between the two, I made a video right up here. And if you're gonna use the focus wheel with this discount code, it might be worth it to get the Standard kit rather than the Essentials kit. So let me tell you about the discounts right now. So the Ronin-s has different prices in Canada and the US. This is the only item where the pricing is different between the 2 different countries. Standard kit is normally $749 in the US, and now it's $649, so you get $100 off. And then the Standard kit in Canada is normally $699, and now it's discounted to $599. So if you live in Canada, $599 for a Standard kit, pretty great deal. Now the Ronin-s Essentials kit normally is $559 in the United States, and it's being discounted to $499. And in Canada, the Essentials kit is normally $499, and it's discounted all the way down to $449. So that's the Ronin-s. Now we're gonna get into the Tello. So the Tello is discounted, both the drone and the combo, the Boost combo. Boost combo comes with 3 batteries, also a little charging hub. The Tello by itself in both countries is $99, but it's discounted to $89 with the summer sale. And the Tello Boost combo normally is $149, but with the summer sale, it's discounted to $129. Now that's all the sales for the United States. However, in Canada, there's one more summer sale, and that's for the Osmo Mobile 2. Normally it's $139, now it's being discounted to just $99. So if you're in Canada, you need stabilization for your phone, you might want to pick up the Osmo Mobile 2. All right guys, so in summary, here's a chart of all the original prices and then the summer sale prices for the specific items discounted both in the United States and in Canada. Now I do have a link below for all these items that I'm talking about today that are discounted for the summer sale. Those links, I do get a small commission at no extra price to you. And especially if you're using the coupon codes, please use these links. They help me, and obviously it's helping you as well. So it's a win-win situation. So just check them out in the description below. All right guys, now that you know about the items for the summer sale, we're gonna get into the raffle where I give out 10 coupon discount codes to 10 different people. Now keep in mind, you can only use this discount code for one item, and it has to be one of the items that I talked about previously. If you do buy this item, you can't resell it online. Okay, so you can't resell it. All right guys, so here's what we're gonna do for the raffle. Now please follow these instructions. I've done giveaways before and people haven't really followed the instructions, so I can't really give the item to you if you don't follow the instructions properly. So focus in right now. I need your attention. It's really important you follow these steps so that I can give you the discount code and you can use it. So what you have to do in the description below, leave a comment which item you want to buy and why you want to buy that item. What you're gonna use it for, maybe just why you want it. And then after that, please leave your email address, because I found this is the easiest way for me to give you the discount code and contact you. I've tried social media, but that's been a little difficult. Some people don't have Instagram, some people don't have Facebook. It gets a little complicated. And if you just leave your email address right next to your name, it's very clear. That way I know it's you and not someone else. So please do that. I'm gonna pick 5 people with the best comment that I like. So the first 5 winners, I'm gonna pick based on your comment below. And then the next 5 people, I'm gonna do a raffle. Take those 5 people out that already won. They're set aside, they can't win now. Now I'm gonna take another 5 from the remainder of comments. I'm gonna put all those names together, put it in a hat, and then I'm gonna pick 5 winners in my next video. So my next video on June 10th, which is Monday, I'm gonna announce the 10 winners. And then you have almost a week to buy that item. Now keep in mind, you can only buy one item. Do not share this discount code publicly or with anyone else, because it makes no sense. Plus it's valid for only one item, and that's about it. Now the reason I'm announcing it on June 10th, I wanna give people over the weekend some time to comment below, okay? So I didn't wanna do it just tomorrow, okay? I wanna give you a few days. If you don't see this video right away, maybe you have things to do, you might see it Saturday or Sunday, but on Monday, I'm gonna announce the winners. So please comment below before Monday morning, because around Monday morning, noon at the latest, I'm gonna release the video with all the winners from this summer sale with the discount codes. If you don't win the discount code, you still can take advantage of the summer sale, but the discount codes make it definitely worth it. Appreciate you guys for watching. If you haven't done so, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you on Monday. Good luck.